morning. My name is Dami, and today we're going to be designing a video interface with Figma. If you don't know what a video interface is, it looks something like this. Yeah, for example, YouTube, your VLC, anything. So the first step in designing an interface is to pick a frame. For today, I'll be working with a desktop frame. If you want to pick a frame, just use the frame tool, and Figma provides a whole lot of options. Like I said, we'll be using the frame tool today. Now that I have a tool, I want to draw my device. I'm going to use a rectangle by choosing the rectangle tool. I'm going to put in nicely. Yeah, so this is a rectangle. This doesn't look much like a device, but I'll add a stroke and increase the thickness to about 8 and give it a border radius of 50. I want my screen to be transparent, so I'm going to remove that. So I have a screen on my frame. The next step is to draw another frame for my movie. This frame will just be a rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle and make sure it is centralized. Yeah. I would advise that before you start, you have all the pictures you need to use and all the icons. My icons are here, and I have a folder for my pictures, so I'm just going to open my folder, yeah, and select. Yay. So I'm designing a Spider-Man interface right now. I want my video to appear paused, so I'm going to darken it a bit. How do I darken it? I'll darken it by placing a rectangle above it. Now this doesn't look like a movie anymore, so I'm going to reduce the opacity to give my image a very dark or a grayed out look. Now this looks fine. How do you show people that your movie is paused? It's by adding a pause icon. Do that by, I have a pause icon here. You can get icons by installing Material Design. So I have this icon, and okay, it's a nice center. Next step is to design my toolbar. I'll do this by drawing a smaller rectangle here, and I'll make this black. Yeah, like I said, I already have a preset of what I want. I have my volume icon, my menu icon, pause and play. Yeah, so I'm going to draw this line to give me a sort of margin. So I'll just put this. Okay, first of all, I'm going to draw my timestamp. Timestamp is how many seconds are you watching? And 50 out of 59. Just make that white. So here I have a nice timestamp. Now I'm going to just take my preset icons from here, arrange them nicely here. Alright, great. Now if you notice, YouTube has some other the closed caption HD things. So I already have these icons here, and I will just bring them here. I have another line here so I don't overstep my boundary. There's also the share and replay icon, and I'm putting these here. This is fair enough. Okay. Now I'm going to name my movie. Call it the Spider-Man. Oh, Spider-Man, sorry. Spider-Man. And name yours anything that catches your fancy. And I want to make this white and maybe increase the size. Okay, this is fine. So something is missing. We need the direction to know how long our video has played. Now you can easily do this by drawing a line. So let me make this line red so we can see it. And I'm going to increase the thickness. Yeah. Make sure it's 0. To add, more features, I can just draw a small ellipse. I'm going to resize my ellipse and make it 10. And make it red to know exactly where we're at. Great. Now we need a preview image. When you pause an image and hover around your screen, you're supposed to get a preview image. So I would create the frame for my preview image by, this should go up a bit, by drawing a rectangle. And now I'm just going to add here. Just put this here. Yeah, so this is a preview image. There you have it. This is a video interface design using Figma. You would need icons, you would need images, and you just need your creative mind to get this done. Thank you for watching.